Hey everyone, welcome back to the Uni1 YouTube channel. We're continuing our short series on modern email security. We've already covered MTA-STS. Find the link to the video in the description below. In today's video, we are diving into something that doesn't get nearly enough spotlight, yet it plays a crucial role in making email delivery more trustworthy. We're talking about DANE for email, the technology that makes SMTP TLS actually reliable. So what is DANE and why should you care? If you're already juggling acronyms like SPF, DKIM, DMARC, and MTA-STS, here comes one more to the list. DANE stands for DNS-based authentication of named entities. In simple terms, it allows your domain to publish information about its TLS certificates directly in DNS, and that information is protected by DNSSEC, which ensures it can't be tampered with. When another mail server tries to deliver mail to you, it can verify your TLS certificate not only through a certificate authority, but also by checking your domain's special DNS record called a TLSA record. If both match, the connection is trusted. Why should you, as a business owner, care? Because DANE dramatically reduces the chances of your messages being intercepted or modified along the way. Why certificates alone aren't enough? Think of it this way. The traditional certificate authority model is like trusting every locksmith in the world with a copy of your house key. DANE adds an extra safeguard by letting you pin the exact certificate your domain expects. So even if a rogue CA issues another certificate in your name, DANE will reject it because it doesn't match the one you've published in DNS. It's one more layer of trust, and one that attackers can't easily bypass. Now, DANE doesn't replace other standards. It works alongside them. DNSSEC is the foundation. Without it, DANE can't function. TLS encrypts your mail traffic, while DANE ensures the certificate is truly yours. MTA-STS enforces the use of TLS for mail delivery. TLS-RPT keeps you informed when something goes wrong, and DANE authenticates TLS certificates through DNSSEC. Together, these protocols form a layered defense system for your outbound and inbound emails. Now, let's get practical. In this video, we'll walk through how DANE actually works, step by step, and how you can set it up for your own mail servers. Before anything else, DANE relies on DNSSEC. That's step 0. No DNSSEC, no DANE. Once DNSSEC is in place, the process begins with publishing TLSA records. For each of your mail servers, you'll add a special DNS record that defines which TLS certificate is expected. For example, a TLSA record might look like this. When another server tries to send you an email, it looks up your MX record to find the destination, then checks for a matching TLSA record. Next, DNSSEC validation ensures that this record is legitimate and hasn't been tampered with. Once that's confirmed, the servers perform a TLS handshake. The receiving mail server presents its certificate, and the sender compares it against your published TLSA record. If it matches, the connection is established and email securely delivered. If not, the message may be deferred or rejected, depending on the policy in place. So in short, the TLSA record acts like a cryptographic lock that ensures only the right certificate can unlock the connection. Time to go over how to enable DANE for your domain. Step 1. Check if your DNS provider supports DNSSEC and make sure it's enabled. You'll also need to publish DS records and confirm that your DNS responses are properly signed. Step 2. Decide on your TLSA strategy. The simplest option is end entity, where you pin the exact certificate hash. Alternatively, you can use the trust anchor mode, which pins the CA or key you trust, a good option if your certificates rotate frequently. Step 3. Generate your TLSA records. Tools like TLSA Record Generator can help. No need to do this manually. You'll specify the port, protocol, and host name, then define what to match and provide its hash. Step 4. Publish these TLSA records in your DNS zone, sign them with DNSSEC, and confirm they resolve correctly. Step 5. Verify that your mail servers are presenting the correct certificates. If your provider changes certificates often, consider setting up automation to update TLSA records automatically. Step 6. Keep monitoring. Use TLS-RPT reports and mail logs to detect any connection or validation issues early. Once configured, DANE usually just works. But if something breaks, here are a few things to check. First, look for DNSSEC misconfigurations. Incorrect DS records or unsigned zones are the most common culprits. Second, make sure your TLSA record hash actually matches your current certificate. If you use automated certificate rotation, ensure your TLSA records are updated accordingly. Otherwise, validation will fail as soon as the old cert expires. And if your MX is hosted on shared infrastructure, coordinate with your provider to make sure they don't replace the certificate without notice. DANE might not be the most well-known acronym in the email security world, but it fills an important gap. It gives you a way to pin your TLS certificate securely through DNSSEC, closing a loophole that could otherwise let attackers impersonate your mail servers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. In our next episode, we'll take a closer look at TLS-RPT, the reporting tool that helps you monitor TLS security in the real world.